So today, we're going to build a gradient brush. You need a couple things for that. Some kind of screwdriver, paint brushes, a measuring stick. You can do a short one or you can do a long one. I'm using a short one today. And you're going to need some screws. And the screw size is going to depend on how thick your paddle and paintbrush are together. I'm going to raise it off my table. And line up where I want them to go. Make sure my spacing is right on my measuring stick. So for a 16 by 20, I only need 4 brushes versus having the 5th one on there. Because if I add the 5th one, I'm going to start having the edges of the brush on my table, and I don't want that. I want it just on my canvas, and 4 of them will do the trick because I'm also going to have the border closed off with tape as well. So instead of doing the 5th one, I'm just going to add 4 onto this one. So now that we have it measured down to 4 paintbrushes, I'm going to start putting my screws in each of my paintbrushes. What I like doing is drilling into my paintbrush first, and then drilling into my measuring stick. So that is how you build a gradient brush. What I like to do is take some scissors and chop off the tip of the paintbrush. Kind of gets messy. Giving it a fresh coat of bristles to work with, basically. So that's the basics of building your own gradient brush. It's really not complicated. You only need a couple of things and it doesn't take very long. It might take a couple tries to get it right, but it's well worth it in the end. Click the link right here if you want to see a couple of videos that I've done using the gradient brush. Maybe that'll help make your decision whether or not you want to try it out. And if you enjoyed this video or got something out of it, please help me out and hit that like button and subscribe for more acrylic vibes. See you next time.